everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Oh, you're my thing, you know. 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 Yeah. So, oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. Voy a mi ground cover. 1, 2, 3. I can breathe without you, say. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, Lord. I can move without you. Hey, who am I without you? Who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can live without you. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, yeah. I can move without you. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Hey, who am I thinking now? Oh, you're my thinking now. Oh, you're my thinking now. So, oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thinking now. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thinking now. So, oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thinking now. Oh, you're my thinking now. My thinking now, me, oh.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to another episode of Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. And then sumema obi bia nkwankwe bia ohwe nyina kwaba ebe edwumedie so. Mediani manyeti megide se ene wo ho ye na edwumedie ya yede be nso no obehwe na wenya wodie efiri mu. Na ansa na wo hwe no nso mesre ni die mu bomode anache na share maye chiche emaye na obi enye bi. And then so adeachi bia yenyina ya sorry na UK abonten so de we be say ya election enra into no counting na egu so aye count a ye hu say labor kɔ n'anim enti mbia na akoba ni say labor na ebefa enti no Yende yato yende wi aka dodro na ne yinkromfo Ghana ye twen 7 December nso na yahwe ne onyankopon e wo maye na ya sha ase mesre enidie mu onya ba so abomoden na hye maye ene ye wo asem dede e de maye ene se de bia oti ho de a definitely we obi man ofi obi man so ne ba ya obeye application one way or the other no e de akọ home office na ene e ba behwe ye behwe no me pese me gye ho kwan ne nyinaa me twen na dodo na embra so nti bomode a share dodo na ba na meyi enihu edi e de amount mon share me nua ba teledu manya me nhra o de BWF for BWF solicitors for ekura wo mu pa isan se oyi ade ma mu yi enti bomode na share na frɛ adofo dodo na etiti no nso no omomba na omombe ka ye ho na yemfa adwumedie no enhya ase ene me wo me resource person e wa ha me a me bra penny lawyer Asmah obeba no de nchia kese e de ama etifo na ahwefo mre ne kɔ nti na nka mpese metwa me ho sema na meba na mmom mpese ye hya ase wa ha na yentumi emma nyoma dodo na education na enko nenim emfa emma na mmom ne mpese wo ya ama me se bomodin a share program no because wodi aka ho wodi ho wobenya wodi enso efri mu na yendi nhwambo BWF Solicitors yasa aka ye ho me good morning me bra penny me lawyer kese lawyer Charles Asmah ebe efidie so me ma akwenya na fa enchia kese ma etifo na hwefo ne da wase me fanti case arobado ma wa ya me da nti na kasa so we change ehuma kan nti pocho me ma akwenya na fa enchia kese ma ye listeners na ye viewers na afa ye mfa dwumedi no ye start
Yo, what's so mad, bro? Right. Hello, viewers and listeners. Pleasure to come your way. The smiles, the giggle, the laughter shows that indeed today is Friday. Another week has come before us,
Mm,
and we are moving on.
mm.
Yes, we woke up to a change or a wind of change or movement, whatever it is, that might have effect on immigration policies in the UK. But we wait to see the coming weeks what the if there is going to be a new government, what their policy will be. Ntietiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ ɛndɛ nso yɛde nkyerɛ kɛse ɛbrɛ wo efi BWF Solicitors aseɛyɛ ebi a wɔ biara yɛkyia wo yɛka ne sɛ nnɛ nso yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ a ɛyɛ hwɛm paa obi bɛka sɛ wɔyɛ deɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ biara but affect nkurɔfoɔ bebree nti yɛbɛhwɛ kwan ɛne sɛnea mmara no ɛka fa saa adeɛ wei ɛho bɔ mmɔden na to nsa frɛ afoforɔ nso nyinaa yɛmbom nsua adeɛ na yɛnkɔ yɛnim ɛwɔ mmerɛ mu na nea yɛpɛ sɛ esi ɛwɔ yɛabrɛbom ɛwɔ UK ɔman mu.
Yo lawyer Asmah medasiye tiefo ye be sha ase gidigidi na yetumi enya afoforo nso afre whilst we still on our education and then ne omni say enche bia mema me producer the topic no aba betudwa na afe ya kan wasem na ne omni say ye nyina ye nim de bia uba onya be si UK abonten so dodo na nam kwan a omofa so meba kromu ha meka kromu a meka UK kromu ha na uba no obi si oba visit obi si oba say various reasons people travel to this country na ebi mo dodo na ye kromu for ye ba obi ba oba ona okọ obi oba na okọ obi nso ba obehwe se ne winter weather no na snow ne ye fe ne ade asi ka we de opportunities were hand person metna so whatever your reason or what about betnemu na or say afede regularize your status senior be ya obetumi aye adwuma na ma family na che say u kabrabo na so na wo na whatever it is no home office ewo home office ye ka na che say krom ha omo aso ya wopɛ sɛ woka immigration biara nsɛm anaasɛ kwan bibia wobɛfa so a wobɛgyina yie wɔ kurom ha no ɔsɛ wode kɔda home office foɔ nti no ɔmo na ɔmo hwɛ saa nneɛma no na ɛba ne sɛ wokɔyɛ application de akɔ a wobɛhu a na application no tumi kɔkyaa na aba na ya bounce a ye say ni ntira na ene ye ba behwe producer how the topic ne to mama ye behwe some of these applications ye dientia na to de bia ye ka say matumi akọ online na mako bi kra some of the lawyers ne kra when you say individual application some of the lawyers me ka some mbeti ase omokro mo ya ekire ne bounce ye say application now ye invalid aden ye ntiase wo so wa ye wo de wonim say wa kinkan ya koduri application form no e de gu form as sign e de call home office results be ba ye say ye invalid application na we enene ye pese ye di hodwuma na ye ka ho asem ye behwe nienti a ekoye invalid anase nienti a nyoma odi gu so na enye no na o se odi gu so anampo se wakofa wrong application form so na wa fili ene ye ba behwe na kwan a enam so e ma ne basa ene senior obeya obedwane efre ho avoid it enkoye say obeye application akọ na bounce aba say ne wo ye no enti sa na o say o ye no enti le Asmah mesa to mensa afro na nka mpese me bisa any update kakra but emre no kọ enti ye de no be hye ekire na yakoyenim e wa ha dodo na ma ba so mesre mom chihye ni ntem hye se na ebe ya dodo na benya because your dedication no sha ase wa ha ya na mo misi bi why say ye wie a afen so no maybe telephone lines no now wait to me afre into Asmah and then we are talking about invalid immigration application and we are going to look at the reasons and how to avoid it into yan sha ase eyen den na metumi koye invalid application patro adaroma.
Oh, that's the brain now. You're a chief for Nashafo, the cast number far fry, a back country, a back fancy, na the boffin south far from. Here we are, a woman in a tough farmer, our boffin, and tea, or tibiano, Benya with the womb. That's in that chibino, that the Ghana house in our back. Now, Momi there, the brain now, why application, that were per visa, I call UK. Another wapa visa atena UK omemu. There oya visa eziko UK. Another oya visa edetena UK omemu no. Oda shede application aya no odzimu na bro friend no. Valid application. So application ndimu a akwete say wakofo train. Na train no ekọ ebia Birmingham. Wonso utu kwan akọ Croydon. Anhwe training na okofo ye. Who ya so de wonenam baby. Pafu train there. But is that train valid? Edimu ana. Say ndimu a there's no way I'll do call destination. You be do ho na aka trust a wrong destination. Which is the cancel na akwasai. Then you share application ya no and I say yeah be ye no. Then am application no invalid and I say endimu na kwan ben so na ye be fa sa nsunsu no emba and I say enkoba sa application no enye valid na odzikan no yenyim ekor anede ebien na mama producer odi rulebook no abranyen aya friend immigration rules guidance for home office case workers na area ye be share example of enyoma ema application no complete even though was submitted they betuma be say one year bibi enti application no enye complete and it's a valid enti ye share board isu a ye publish no 2016 but ye updating no June 6th 2024 just last month. Immigration rules part 1 leave to enter or stay in the UK. Enti wo hwa ade so a o say leave to enter or stay na che say say wo dey back say na me dey kan no wo dey ko UK o memu unless wo dey tina UK o memu no it doesn't really matter. Now, producer and Pacho Kwasi. Okay. How to make a valid application for permission to stay in the UK. And Hano, you will be your friend no paragraph 34. Actually, no, you better share near a war, 34 no emu. Na sa immigration emrano efano. Now all can I say, so what the application call say yenhwe mu ma wo a edi kan e be hwe say application no edimu and I say endimu. Then na ma application no edimu and I say endimu. E form no a we use here no. Say na me can say train and I say bus and I say coach. Even aeroplane kra. So we confirm wrong one or do be call wrong place. And so form no wrong why your application there, but that application will not be valid for the panel. And here number one. It's one of the reasons Emma application there invalid no wrong application form ye use. Edi kan eto asumi or say all mandatory sections of the application form must be completed. The application form so maybe or what a compulsory, maybe so what a compulsory. Ayana the star be so red star I follow asterisk. And then look around so one fancy and shaswa or my own go with him. But a beer not asterisk be and shasu by a compulsory information we here. Now we bu any guso because unim say the shaswa about how we find this so. We bu any guso apart from sense so aso no ebeye bibi foforo no. Ya hwe say sa ade no 1 year ebema application no aye invalid na. So say all mandatory sections of the application form must be completed. Must be completed. Na say one complete here, let's say eno nso no ebetumi edin nso as boni bi abrel. I say where the applicant is required to pay a fee. Into the next one, I number 3 no application fee no. So when your application fee no and also ebetumi aha adwen ben na ebeha. Application fee no compulsory. Ebia as I say wutia this or that. To say oh yeah, your friend is saying visitors visa. You say fee no $151 for example. Na say when tia and I say nya wutia no endusa. There's no way application no ever valid. We back and say na say fee no be chance wa submit it. Ani we be chance wa submit it. But there are a quite bebree award sa ade we eho. Enti bia we could do pempen so bia you be say IHS fee, IHS number. Now we do number shim. Now we free say number now that shim no and yet number for application we submit e be call. But we yan hwehwemu na omu say yet number no for application we na we share so a o metro so application no unwie ye untia fee no nti betia wentia application no be invalid. The next one also senior boss no IHS fee. Of course, application fee itself. Application bi omo a wo be no paper so na wa submit it. We post to akoma. So we post to koma no one fee no check and that's account details anka ho a application will not be valid. And here can online application, na here can offline application so. Ni nyina say we tia fee na we ntia application no o maka say enya valid. Enti ya hwe form, ya hwe mandatory information, ya hwe application fee and immigration health surcharge. The next one no application specific. Be a way application, let's say kwaye police report eka ho. One for police report na nka ho application no will not be valid. We application say kwaye TB test eka ho. One for nka ho application no will not be valid. We application ewo UK memu let's say application no adwuma a wo de kwaye nti fa DBS eka ho. A your friend no data barring service for report. Our kwama no near police report no fa ho. Or fan kan ho application will not be valid. Application be more as I said with the English language and the life in the UK test e kan ho. One fan kan ho and ye valid. Now we say Osha inyome bebre o ho a so ya ye careful na ebu ye ni guso a ebetumi aha adwen amayen. The next one no ID evidence. Application bia is say with the ID evidence account. Main ID or your passport. Your passport easy to kwan. Now only the people saw there. There's a passport we who so amaya then. Embranes is a passport ne wa and the on yashe for old one or another ma that down no copy for come on next me there we Obi man needs wewu into our application for renewal of passport. Or evidence there why a renewal on bay. Obotumo the evidence no account. The old one new one no on bay. But my matron application form na me fill require renewal of passport no another replacement in only. Exception our passport when there. So passport no home office for one same da on it. Oh here there it's a passport no baba. Na passport no ekobo nsa no a odo kita wunsem na ze kire won. Emrane se so fi ho fekasi fo wunsem za oh here there it's bibi be kwa kire. And of course it's a commonsensical approach. I don't know owo won. So how do I bring it? That is why it makes sense there. Emrane se so home office for one chance za oh here there it's a passport ebako. Nemo is a copy bakawa application no eho. Enti the next one so all when there ayo application na wie no or there ekobo wonsa no aye friend of biometric enrollment process. Enti book appointment na akobo wonsa no. It was 35 days from data a submit application no to book appointment. Say in book appointment na amfa wo fingerprint na when you are nkosua no ankwa na wanja nto ho a application no onye valid. Enti enyoma ya boboso no ebinu no na police ampatro kwase ho kakra mame link na odenya be call paragraph 34 no. If you take us to paragraph 34 itself before we come to invalid application this side no, take us to paragraph 34 itself. Paragraph 34 itself. So on that basis, paragraph 34 no, now all can you say application will be valid or invalid depending on what you need to provide and the type of application you are making. It is a type of application it requires would the document be ebaba. And I say, would the enyoma bi beka application no ho a as I say would the kan ho. So one can say fe bibi kan ho a and the emra no enhya wo say would the bibi ebeka ho. So now we share application ni nyina no regardless of what it is no there are common enyoma when to me mfem we akwan mu a the beka say application is not valid. Enti enene enyoma yabobo bubo eso no yabobo eso no. Enti producer host the besi I say na mama obre na wonso wakasa
Ase yebeda ase se wacheche mu tie ase ne ayibehu na nneoma na obobo so na nanka me hwe ne din a obebesi me di gu metrim na metumi ebisa ho nsem one after the other. Internet say application no, first of all, to begin with, no, and nienti a wokoye sa application must be the right application form patcho metiasie sa. And afen so nneoma a ekeka ho a also wo de ka ho na ebe ma application na valid no. Ebi na ekeka ebi a passport, ebi a mbia o English language, ebi wo a with DBS and as a police check. Ebi wa nneoma kitten address proof of nneoma no nyina wo de account. Enti no se wo ye application na ye say fa o valid passport. Passport no date na wo mu no enwu ye na ukofa na ewu e de ka ho de kwa the probability say ye be ka say enye valid u application endi mo no na che say o passport ni ntra. It could also be say application no aye the right application anu aye na nneoma evidence aye say faka ho na application ndi mo no wenya sa evidence na nka ho na che say application no endi mo enti enu nti na eye invalid mpacho yetumi nya sa ntiase na lawyer Asmah. Sanetie. Okay. Enti no se maye application na minim say evidence a yesi me mfambre udi kan say embia na u passport ewu waye foforo. Enti ubeka trom say ne ka ho no ewu de ba foforo nam kwan so eba. Se application no se foforo nam kwan so eba still endi mu enti still going to render it invalid. Na mum se passport no wo mo ho na udi copy ne ka ho a na se passport no ewo mo ho na udi ka ho na oman reply wa na passport no ko wu wo mo nsem a ayembia eno so to me koye invalid application embia fe na omo ba be hwe wo passport wo application afe na ye be responded to you. But the time wo your application the passport still valid, but then akodi omo nchia embia time ye be grant wo whatever application na why no iye hu say wo passport na ewu a would that make your application valid pacho?
Yo na ne woman say na ye hu ne na amra ne ka no ene na ye ka ho asem na ye di ho adanse ya. Crop applications amaya nimpa no ne passport ewu.
Okay.
Passport wu a or copy of the old passport or expired passport.
Okay.
Where your application, the baby say, do you have a valid passport? So passport you cannot say yes. So you say no.
Then
the next question would be, do you have a previous passport? Then you say yes. They will indicate for you to confirm, say, I expire with the details no back call. Until they know, say, you don't have a valid or fresh passport, but you have an expired passport. And then one thing.
Okay.
But the woman say, obi omo I don't know, but on taking steps, say obe renew.
Oh, right.
So passport you are, I don't just say it's na hosa.
Also renew.
What are you doing about it before you make an immigration application? Because application is say add your ID document. ID document bebre or nenta mamo boy no and also say ne hia pa your passport.
Passport no, yes.
Ntina na aka ne ya mobo so no. But obi omo oni passport but what travel document issued by the Home Office. Obetumi use because that will be the only travel identity document as a travel document or na sadie na wu na wa ya foforo a we your application for replacement passport no wo application form no a print copy with the back application no to tell them say it's expired, this is a copy, but you've made a new application for replacement and you are waiting for a decision. That does not mean that they have to tell you to wait until it comes before you continue. So that is the difference. The other one is the application passport on ewo munchen.
Yes.
for whatever reason it could be from the previous application and buy it. And I say, you if you win some airport and a jaw since then and buy it. Whatever it is, an passport in a woman chain. And Brandis is a passport in a woman chain, dear. You don't have to worry. And you don't have to provide anything. Because a passport in a woman chain, you are not going to do a replacement passport application. So that is one thing. Obiso mo here passport no de akoye be a English language test as part of application. The client back will say, and then I'll send you a message, say okobo ne nsa no okoye no na oka kire won say the passport no e wo mo nchen wa request ya emba for the English language assessment test. No, I say it may take forever to come back. So kire English language for the say omo frenya na yenchire mu nchire won na omo ma wo permission na kwachire English no. And a different aspect. But application ankasa no, the passport wo mo nchen there, you don't have to worry. That's one of the exceptions to the ID point, you know.
Oh, okay. Ni ati ase se ko wu omo nchen kra eno emma wo application enye invalid nti no ya ti ho na ase because to de bia on se obeye application na akono lawyers bia na wadi kra 1 year ansa na ebewu home office to make now application so me kai obi dey say 2 years ansa na ye responding no ye responding adema ya like ya grant nti e ba na passport na ewu kra wo mo nche ono kra mpo nim se ni passport na ewu enti e ho sa na nti na maybe sa question na che say ye be ma na akwanya no asa ye passport for dey aba na yem fancy because I say ye dey ade no be si wo passport na ewu dia se ne eni se ye di sim enti na mebisa sa question no enti yem kwere na maye sa application nyina Asmah na metua misika na eko na afe ya ka say aba say eye invalid application because mentumi anyese na mensa nkoye foforo mpatwa yem bia no misika na eko no omode misika no be ma me back ana
Yo edi kan say koba say application no omo ye assessment no omo feel say e invalid on the trial aka say the application is not valid. Now depending on the circumstances, so this are everywhere that they are omo ka say you can submit a new application. Say ewu that they are omo ka say or be at 10 days or X number of days first submit new one because now we are you know for whatever reason you know and you're valid. Say kwaba say one year hu bibia sikano omo de babroad provided so we are going to the proviso everyone say so won ko bo won sano a usika no omo de nyina babrao but so wakobo won sano dadade a sika no ebeye den say obenye nyina. That is the difference. Obi o ma oya application for whatever reason wan ko born insano, so the application will be considered invalid. Omo ni sika bebre no. Obi so mu a okobo insano e no mu hu say because until so obabo insano no omo bi application no e hwe say omo be ye ho adwuma. Nti obo insano bi na e bi application mu na omo hu say application form no kra ya wrong application is not valid. And I said fee no kra wentia and I said na utia no anso application is not valid. And now also say o passport no one fan quarter ma ukobo wonsano no application is not valid. And now also say inyoma bia ehse wo de kan ho no one fan kan ho a there are certain things one fan kan ho a e be refuse e be to say English language and now say life in the UK and I say DBS report and I say police clearance report and I say TB test report one fan kan ho a e be ombetwi omani egusu no mo refuse no ma ka che one fan kan ho it was mandatory until you refuse no nti when I say we make sure say hosad no de omo nka say nya valid enti eno ano no because wakobo wonsa no aya possible say ube lose sika no nti wo ma yenhwe ehɔ no na ye bi say wo say how do you avoid it nti di
Yes.
kan wo be hwe application form na wo ye no application na wo ye no eno ho form a ese wo use ti say wo ba indefinite leave to remain application say ya ye wo mu ahodo bebree people get it mixed up I say lawyer application no the command lawyer bi na oyeye na home office wo atwere we ya abrɛ me then omo twere ba ya omo say form na me use ya no nke ni say me use eno form be na oko use ye oko use set M for settlement indefinite leave application but set M no eye for nkofo a mo cha aware ase anase omo wo relationship mu na ba ko ejina ba ko so akonanim na bra so say obaje asetena and you different from obi a watna 2.5 so na we nya 10 years na okwaji afebol untumi nko use sa set M no nti ono ko use lawyer no ko use sa set M no na ema no na omo kan say application is not valid because the form is wrong we be say na then of lawyer no getting it wrong yes depending on lawyer crowd we dey adom kwa command no obi nipa no betumi getting it wrong because ono so ye nipa enti aya amoma yeni enda ho na ne aye kan no so ene ne said set M ewo ho set LR ewo ho eye settlement for long residence for 10 years what the student what the 2.5 what the how can you now boom 10 years and I said what the 2.5 no so ma wo braso long residence ye wo be to say set AR adult dependent relative ye wo different forms one you careful now confer wrong one application no enya valid who ye EU application for example na wako fail paper application for Zambrano for na wo de akwa na so wo si wo de kwaje for example pre-settled be and I say bibi sa emfa say wo hwe akwala or ya British akwala application will not be valid because we jina wo yere and I say wo kuro so as EU dependent now wako fail paper application air force because for application na valid just because obi culture say ono ne de no or fail form once wo de no different yes see and eso to me create problem nti aya mo man ye careful say krofo aye tietie fi omo wa no krofo a omo te mra na se na omo nim ekwan a omo de mra no ye adwuma na omo de aye adwuma ma na aye yie na e produce result and no wo confidence say nipa no nim nya oye na say wo ye skilled worker application health sector unim say say our DBS and I say police clearance obi say oh misumi ye bi me manfa police report bi anka ho just because nipa no bi na dey na construction and I say IT and I say bibi fufuro ehia police clearance onso wo koye adwuma wo health sector we hear police clearance because of vulnerability on nkofo a wo kohwe omuso no na wetietie nipa no na wan kwaya wo de no e be refuse application no nti saa nyama nti na edi kan say we be read requirement for your application we hu form no any document just say we provide it passport there compulsory ma obia unless say we home office for ho no say we dey kan we say who are try say we the application betum for renewal na wa print renewal application form no aka o document ho na we dey aye immigration application we shall say wait your IHS fee no the right amount nti say when tia o ma be catch us tia ubu eni gusu a edin sunsan so bebrel
Yo, lawyer, what can you kra mami? Thank you very much. Watch it your honor, senior obeya obe near beba amaya refuse and I say ya can say invalid application. Watch it kwanya you know say nam so na yetumi na baby answer na me G kasa ne free wa no baby bia o mention ya.
Now, what do you mean, can?
Producer what you mean can?
Yo, it's here for the actual four. Host, what do you mean, can?
Okay, say
Now, what do you
screen
mean,
no
can?
echo but I